A practical hack for quick debt relief is to automate a tiny roundup into a dedicated payoff fund each day. As the rounds accumulate, they create momentum that reduces principal faster than sporadic extra payments. Next, balance budgeting by applying the 50-30-20 rule to essentials, savings, and a flexible buffer for surprises. In investing terms, start with a broad index fund and automate monthly contributions, so time in the market beats timing. Finally, monitor inflation trends and guard purchasing power by prioritizing high-yield savings and low-cost, diversified assets.